everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to Runyon Family Farms. If you haven't already, please subscribe, give the video a thumbs up. We just started our 2020 soybean harvest today. Ran into a few hiccups so far. Had replaced some sickle sections on the head. Apparently I didn't get some of the bolts tight. Had a few of them come loose. So I had to tighten some of them up. Rollers, got some of them put on. Got back taken off. Combine died. Got out. Found out that on our combine, which is a AGCO Challenger, it has a C9 Caterpillar engine in it. And it has a little pump style primer for the fuel filter on top of the motor. And last year we replaced it with a new one because the old one that kept wanting to pop out and we'd have to wire tie it and whatnot. Got tired of that, so we put a new one on and I tightened it as tight as I could with my pliers whenever I changed the fuel filter and primed it. But apparently it wasn't tight enough because after about an hour of running it vibrated loose. Got it back in, wire tied it. Good to go. Beans are dry. Tested them about 11 and a half, 11.7, but they're a little bit tough. So we've been having some issues there. But right now, I'm over at our local grain elevator bringing a load into town. I have it checked out, see what test weight and everything is compared to what our little portable moisture tester shows. And got over here, it's about 3:30 in the afternoon, and got quite the line here. I've moved up probably 8 trucks so far. But as you can see, there's quite a line. And I don't know if it's going to show up or not, but there's quite a bit of line behind me as well. They also got a bunch of corn coming in, so they got their track hoe there piling up the corn. So they not only have guys that's hauling in, but they also got a few trucks that are emptying out of their holding bins into the piles. So that causes a little bit of a hiccup as well, but hopefully we're off to a decent start. And our corn head, it's getting worked on. Should be getting hit back first part of next week. They found some more stuff wrong with it, so they're ordering some more parts for it, so hopefully we'll be able to get through a bunch of our beans that's ready now before they pop out of their pods. Get them out of the way and up in the bins, so that way we can switch over the corn next week hopefully. So that's all I got for now. Get some more footage once we get back to the field. Yeah, we got back from the elevator. Had to stop here at one of the farms to get some antifreeze for the combine. The combine's overheating a little bit. And after I got down the road, I had to turn around again, get another spare air filter for the combine. For some reason, this one likes to plug up and beat dust really bad. Don't know why. Drum spins, works fine. Somehow it's getting all that dust in there. Plugs up the air filter a lot. Had to deal with that last year quite a bit. So now we just go and keep a few spare filters, bring them home at night, blow them out, keep them around so that we can swap them out when we need to. Wish we knew what was going on with it. So now we're finally heading back to the field. Well, we're back at the field here, so we're gonna get our antifreeze air filter, because I guess the combine is saying on the radio is overheating again. So put this stuff here in the truck, put it down here to see if we can't get it lined out.
So for some of you that's never been around a farm before, what we're doing is we're waiting in line. That right there, you have your tarp open, you pull up there. It's basically like a syringe. It'll go down in your bed. It'll suck up your grain, whether it be corn, beans, wheat. And then you'll scan your card so they know who you are, and put whether you want a cash price today or if you got it on loan or how you want to do your payment. And then on up there they got scales, so that way they know how much you weigh. And then you'll go around here, you'll unload, then you drive all the way back around, and they got another scale here to the left, and you'll weigh again, and then they'll print you out a ticket that says your weight difference, how many bushels you had on your truck, your moisture, if you had any damage or bugs or anything like that. So not too bad a process. There is a line, but they seem to be moving us through pretty quick.